Hi, I'm Connie with Free Motion by the River, and I want to share with you the box that I just received from Missouri Star Quilt Company. There's some pretty neat things in here. Let's take a look. First thing I've got is another rotary cutter. This one is a 45 millimeter. Out. And it's got Missouri Star Quilt Company on it. So it's their logo. And then they also sent a pack of 5 rotary blades that will go in this. Pretty neat. And I like it. It's got the safeguard on there. They also sent their basic threads. These are 100% cotton. I have used them before, and they're very nice. So this little group here is the basic colors. You've got 2 whites, cream, black, and a gray. They also sent 3 spools of this plum color. I know I've got different fabrics that I could use this on. These are 100% cotton also, and it's called Plum. Fabric. This is Handpicked Produce Sweet Solids Berry Blues. These are solid colors. It's a Rolie Polie, and there are 20 pieces in it. And I'll show close-up pictures at the end of everything that's in here. And they're 2.5-inch strips. I should have said that. This is also a 2.5-inch strip set. And this is called Shadow Play. There are 40 strips, 2.5 inches. And there is a little bit of a texture to these, so they're a beautiful blend. Look at all those beautiful colors. I also received an apron. So I can wear an apron like Jenny. So this is pretty cool. I might have to give it to Builder Bob to wear while he's cooking. So I hope you enjoyed seeing some of the items that I just received from Missouri Star Quilt Company. They're a great company, and get ready for their birthday bash in September. Thank you, and please subscribe to my channel.